I would get rid of all the uniforms except tracksuits. I think the job of president is that you have to keep the laws and make sure that nobody breaks the laws and rule over to make sure that everyone's equal. To run the country and keep it safe. I would make sure everyone who's homeless had shelter and had a home, because there's loads of houses that no one lives in. If I was president, I'd build more home facilities, and it's really bad the way kids are on the streets because, it's not really good for life on the streets, and they can't really afford that much food. To donate in countries in need, like ones that have wars on, like Syria. I would get rid of all the uniforms except tracksuits, and on PE days, you can wear whatever you want into school except your pajamas. I would make a place in the house if some homeless people, the builders are making their houses, they could live with me for a while. I would make it into a big hotel, but you don't have to pay for it. You just come into a little reception inside, and then you just ask to have a room. I would make a room into a meeting place so everyone could meet me, and I would make sure everyone gets to.
Make online bullying illegal?
If I was president, then I would have money enough, so I would give money to the poor. They need to survive like other people. It's not really fair if just the people who have more money survive and then they don't. And they should build more houses, and then the people who can't afford them, maybe a few people who can't afford them, can get them for free.
I would make one extra day for the weekend. So maybe Monday would be part of the weekend.
I like that.
I like that too. I think we all can like that. I'm voting for you when you become president.